Let's make blistered shishito peppers. This is a 4-ingredient recipe that takes about 10 minutes to make, and it's going to give you the most amazing appetizer. It's seriously delicious. Let me show you how. Start by taking 6 ounces of shishito peppers, put them in a bowl, and toss them with 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You can use avocado oil if you want. Then you're going to take a pinch or so of some kosher salt and add that in too. Just toss it all together, and then take it over to your already heated pan. You want to take a cast iron pan, heat it over medium-high heat. When you drop a little water in and it fizzles and bubbles and evaporates right away, your pan's hot enough to add those peppers. So add them in, let them sit for about 1 minute, and then stir and turn. And you're going to continue to do this for about 8 minutes, allowing the peppers to cook through and blister. Once they're completely cooked through and blistered, take them off the heat and then drizzle a little bit of fresh lemon juice on top. You can even add a little more salt if you want, and a dipping sauce. I used a spicy mayo. You can get the complete recipe at easypeasymeals.com. They're seriously so good. You guys, these shishito peppers are amazing. I'm so excited.